as a student in this 2026, you have no business being broke. If you're a student, come closer, because today I have made a compilation of side hustles that you can do in this 2026. So number one on the list is to offer transcription service. Transcription service has been one of the oldest jobs, especially online remote jobs, that have been there, and up till now is still booming. So as a student, you can offer transcription services to brands, to professionals, and to other people that might be needing this type of service. So transcription service is all about transcribing articles, documents, and other piece of work into another language. And the good news is that there are some platforms that gives you free access to transcription courses, right? So all you have to do is go to Google and check out for these platforms that can get you started. So number two on the list is data entry. If you go to Upwork, you will see a lot of people offering this, yes, but that does not mean that it is saturated. On a daily basis, we have business owners that are actually in need of these services, right? So if you're a student and you're looking for a good remote job, online job that you can do from the comfort of your hostel or your room, this is something that you can do, especially if you're someone that enjoy numbers. Number three on the list is to become a freelance content writer. So there are a lot of content writers that are actually making a lot of money, and one good thing about content writing is that most people doing it and earning from it are not really shouting. They know they shout, they are earning on the low. Do you get? So content writing is that type of, I call it that peaceful hustle where no stress, no headaches. But one thing about being a content writer is that you should have interests in research, because you're going to do a lot of research when offering this service. Do you get? So if you're someone that does not enjoy researching, then this is not for you. But if you're someone that enjoy learning, researching and all of, because researching is all about learning and learning, do you get? Then this is for you. As a freelance content writer, you can write for blogs, you can write for brands, business owners, professionals, individuals. So if you're ready to put in the work, then consider going into freelance content writing. So number four on the list is to start a blog. And how do bloggers make money? They make money through AdSense, sponsored posts, ambassadorial deals. They also get ambassadorial deals and affiliate marketing as well, where they share their links on their blogs, right? This is a perfect fit for a student that is looking to make extra income in 2026. Okay, so number five is to start a channel. It could be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, I don't know, whichever one, as long as that platform can be monetized. So it's advisable that you start a channel on a platform that is monetizable. Do you get? Because the end goal of you starting a channel is for the monetization purpose. As a student that is looking for side hustle that can earn you money, then I think consider starting a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook channel. So number six on the list is to build theme-based pages. Theme-based pages can be seen on Instagram especially. Theme-based pages are those pages that are built on a particular topic or idea. For instance, we have food theme-based, we have animals, and in the animals we have people that are doing dogs, cats. Do you get? We have people that are doing nature. You get? We have a lot of these theme-based pages on Instagram. And yes, you might say, oh, these people do not make money, they are just every day posting beautiful nature parks, they are posting mountains in Switzerland, they are posting their dogs, their cats. No, they make money, let me tell you, because as they keep building their pages, you find out that people get attracted to these pages. Then they'll ask you to click the link on their bio to get something. Do you understand? So they actually make their own money. The end goal there is to make money, to get sponsorships, to get deals and all of that, and they get it a lot. So if you're someone that know how to build pages very fast and you are like an introvert, you really do not want to show your face on the camera, you just just want to be doing your things behind the scene, then consider starting a team-based page. So number 7 on the list is to become an appointment setter. You see this particular service, right? There is a lot of demand for this, and the fact that a lot of people get so scared about it is what makes the demand even more, because you find out that people are so scared. Already people have this phobia, people have this scare for marketing, for sales. So that is why most people run away from appointment setting. But then again, appointment setting is not the same as sales closing. Do you understand? As an appointment setter, what you do is you book appointments for businesses, for brands, and most times you do not even need to generate these leads by yourself. Most of the times these business owners give you the list of leads that you book appointment with. And the good thing about this is that you make a lot of money. See, it might not be so easy, so rosy at the beginning, but trust me, this is something that is achievable if you're consistent, you're determined to succeed, and it is very easy to get job as an appointment setter. Most businesses pay on commission, and that is even very fantastic because you're going to earn endlessly once you start getting it right. So as a student looking for something that will make you more, appointment setter, they give money. Looking for something that will make them money in this 2026, then consider becoming an appointment setter. 8 on the list is to teach courses online. So there are platforms, a lot of platforms currently that are recruiting teachers online to teach students different subjects, different languages. Do you get? So we have a lot of people that are currently teaching English language to students in different parts of the world. So this is something that you can actually do as a student that is looking for an extra means of income in 2026. So if you're good in English, you could also get this kind of job. So number 9 on the list is to offer resume and cover letter writing service. I have videos on how you can start this as a full-time gig as well. Resume writing currently is booming, and is something that is giving people a lot of money as a student. This is something that you can do in your corner or in your room. Do you get? So you can actually start resume writing service, and trust me, if you're very consistent, you're going to even make it a full-time gig because of the way the demand will be coming. As a student, you could be making 6 figures, 7 figures per month. So number 10 and the last is to become a copywriter. Copywriters have money. Hey, you see, copywriting is that skill that gives you a lot of money if you know your onion. As a copywriter, you could work for agencies, you could work for brands, business owners, professionals, even individuals. Do you get? So copywriting is that business or that skill that gives you 6, 7, 8 figures. Yes, and I've seen someone making 9 figures just with copywriting. If you're a student and you're looking for something to learn and make money with, then consider copywriting. Do you get? Copywriters do not go out of demand. Like, they are always in demand by brands, by businesses, agencies, and it's very difficult to get a good copywriter. There's a difference between being a copywriter and being a good copywriter. Do you get? You do not meet good copywriters every day. So guys, these are the hot side hustles for students in 2026. So let me know in the comment section which of these side hustles interest you as a student to make money from. Thank you for sticking to the end, and see you in my next video. Bye.